Welcome again to UK Prime Time. Hope everybody is doing good and really amazing to see 117,000 trades executed already on Rift, and win rate is has crossed 50%, and the top trader has crossed 36% of profitability. And I wish these results were on real trading, and that's how the whole community might have made a lot of money and consistent money, which we can already see it coming with Rift. So quite great statistics we have built with the demo version, and the same thing we are going to see in the live once we go live. So going live program is a little, not a little delayed, but it is going to be scheduled properly. First we will whitelist, or we will allow 100 people to trade, and for the 24 hours only 100 people will trade. And once we monitor everything is correct, the trades are executed perfectly. After 24 hours, rest of all of you can trade. So starting from Wednesday, we are going to push the manual trading human version of Rift live. So it is extended till Wednesday. So from Wednesday, first 100 people who will deposit some funds in their wallet to trade, they will be allowed to trade small trades, big trades, whatever you want to do with the high leverage, low leverage, whatever your strategy would be. So first 100 people are going to get the opportunity to start trading first for first 24 hours. And post that, post monitoring, everything is perfect. Our team will stay standby for 24 hours to ensure that all trades that are executed, they go through perfectly smoothly. This is how we are going to push it live. It is not going to be possible tomorrow. We scheduled to push it live tomorrow, but there are few changes, few interactions with the APIs, few validations that are still left to be configured, and we are doing that. So we are hoping to schedule the going live with the real trading by Wednesday. And Wednesday we are going to start with 100 people, and automatically these first 100 people will be allowed to trade. And post 100 people trading execution for 24 hours, we will see the insights, real insights on the leaderboard. And after looking at the leaderboard, after looking at the execution engine of Rift, we will push it open for everyone to start trading. Well, it is nothing less than an achievement to see 117,000 trades in last couple of days. And imagine this kind of trading volume being there, and leaders have already crossed level 5 in, and they have become pro trader already. If you see the badges, I'm still a rookie at 286 rank, and people have become already pro trader. And well, you guys have done great in testing it, and which is really, really good to see how enthusiastically the whole community is embracing the product, learning it, how to maximize profits, how to execute trades. So we will do what? We will start with the quick demonstration as to how Rift works. Post that, we will, as promised, today we are going to discuss about the referral system, how it works, how the commissions are distributed, and what commissions you are expected to receive when you refer a lot of people in Rift when they trade and you trade together. So again, starting up with the whole walkthrough as to how the app works, so that the new people who are joining us today, or the new people who are going to see this YouTube video later, they can understand again. So just a refresh as to how it works. So first you go on to the app, you find the Telegram mini application of Rift, and you click on sign in button. Once you click on sign in, you get an option to continue with the email. Once you enter your email, there is a magic link authentication that goes to your email. And when you confirm the email, you verify, and then you receive a private key window where your private key is automatically generated for that self-custodial wallet in Hyperliquid, and you copy the private key and keep it safe with you. Once you keep it safe and you confirm that you saved the private key, you are allowed to start trading with the demo account of 10,000 US dollars. On that demo account, you have trading options with opportunities that are available in form of cards to you, and these opportunities can be configured, can be customized according to your requirements, according to your expectations. Whatever profit you want to take home, you can customize the opportunities according to your preferences that you want to trade with. You can skip the trade by swiping left and execute the trade by swiping right. It is just like a dating app. And if you have to configure every trade that you want to execute, you have option of customizing the trade manually as well uh, without the lightning mode. And then there is a lightning mode with which you can customize every trade that you execute, and you can place multiple trades at once with your configurations that you have set already in the default mode. So in the lightning mode, when you activate, you can set a particular leverage at which you want to execute all the trades in. Let's say you want to execute all the trades with 3x leverage, 5x leverage, 10x leverage, 2x leverage, or at 1x leverage with a default spend of $100, $500, $11, $15, $100, any amount starting from 11 to 11,000. It's all depends on you how much you want to go with. And the moment you customize the lightning mode, all the trade cards, the profit opportunities, um, the offer cards that you see, they change. They bring you different sort of profits once you customize your lightning mode. And the moment you customize your lightning mode with let's say 1x leverage, and you are spending with a small ticket size of $11 every trade, you see, without any leverage, with 1x leverage, your stop loss and your take profit point, now it is established throughout the whole community as to how Rift works. It works with a very simple model of take profit and stop loss point, and it tries to achieve either stop loss or take profit to close the trade. That's the objective of Rift automated engine that works for you, that intelligently executes trades for you. So it tends to either go along the market conditions towards take profit or stop loss. Whatever it achieves, it closes your position instantly upon achieving the particular condition, particular point that it is aiming towards, either take profit or stop loss, to save you, to keep you safe with the loss. And there's a controlled risk infrastructure that is managed by the intelligence engine of Rift. And let's see, $11 spent with 2x leverage. The distance to stop loss increases a little bit, and distance to take profit almost doubles. So you see, from 17 cents to it becomes 29 cents, and the stop loss distance also almost doubles. And then you change with 3x leverage, the profitability increases, the distance to stop loss also increases a little bit. You go with 5x leverage, it increases on both sides, both stop loss and take profit. Then you try with 10x leverage, it drastically increases the stop loss point as well as take profit point. The same $11 trade which was making you, without any leverage, 20 17 cents, same trade with same ticket size is now making you $1.60 at 10x leverage, because of the leverage, because of the borrowing that you are doing along with your trade. And when can you increase your leverage? What is the realistic time, or what is the most uh, ideal time to increase your leverage. When you should increase the leverage per trade? When the market is a little more volatile state and the market is moving up and down very frequently, very fast. When the stock markets are opening, when the doors to, there is some global event, there is some crisis, there is some crash, there is some news, that is the right time to increase your leverage. That is the tip we have discovered or we have formulated while testing Rift with demo version. And I'm very sure you all might have created your strategies how to use Rift. And the people who got at pro trader position already, and I've seen many people have traded more than, placed more than 500, 600 orders also, to understand how Rift works, and they have taken home more than 13, 15, 16% of profits as well, which is good. So the same trade that you execute without leverage gets you a couple of cents. Now it's getting you $1.60. That is the contrast on which the customization it affects the profit opportunities, the trade cards that you see, the offer cards that you see. And then comes with the, we see at 110 spend with 1x leverage. Once we change the amount to, let's say, 10x, we were at $111. Now we are at $110. We see from 17 cents profit here shows 2.88. That means with the ticket size increasing, also profitability shifts. And it is very obvious because you are not borrowing leverage, but you have doubled or multiplied your ticket size by 10 times. So the profit is also going to increase. Then you do $110 spend with 2x leverage. The profitability is going to not just double but triple, almost triple. That means you have taken a leverage. And with the 3x leverage with $110 spent, your profitability kind of moves to 4 times. And so is the stop loss point. So these customizations, they tend to last the trade a little longer than the small ticket size trades on which you can hunt upon a small amount of profits in a very short interval of time, with the market moving up and down, candles becoming green and red. You can grab these opportunities. Raise your hands if you have monitored the market and today and you have seen candles and you have made profit after looking at 5-minute candles. Who did that from yesterday? Let me see. Who went to CoinMarketCap, opened that particular asset that you have uh, traded or executed a trade and looked at CoinMarketCap with a 5-minute candle and might have seen it going up or going down and closed the trade, back the profit, and just made an exit very clearly. Perfect, perfect. Very good, very good. You guys are going to be the foremost learners and the, uh, I would say, the smartest executors of trades in the human mode. So, Darwin, you guys don't need to buy automated trading engine subscriptions. You guys can do it with yourself in the human mode. And it is definitely a very easy way to generate profit, snipe profit like a smart person. You just looking at the candles and you execute the trade while looking at 5 minutes candles or 3 minutes candles. Once it goes up and it's about to go down, the red candle is starting to appear, you close the trade instantly and grab your profit and go home. That's very simple strategy that actually works and that will always work, be it any condition of the market. Then we see $110 spent with 5x leverage. it expands the profit to $11 and stop loss to $6. So what max you can lose in this trade is $6. What max you can grab in this trade whenever it hits take profit is almost double the stop loss. So where there is winning, there can be a potential loss as well, but the loss is always minimal, and the risk is managed by the automated intelligence engine that we have built, and that brings you the opportunity cards that appear in front of you, and these cards they can get customized according to your requirement. Then there is high risk mode on which the potential outcomes they change once you enable high risk mode, and you start increasing the risk multiplier from 2x to 4x to 3x to 3.5 to 4, 4.5 up to 6x, and that's how the profit cards they start appearing bigger. Now we will see with $1,000 spent with 2x multiplier, we will see a profit of $99 and a stop loss of $99 and take profit of $185. So you can potentially close this trade if the candle goes towards positive. There is a potential profit of 185. If you achieve 50 $60 of profit, you can potentially close this trade and not be very greedy and go home with $50 in the safer side. That is the best strategy which you can apply. And if you are watching the market is moving towards a positive direction. Your all your orders at that particular point of time can be long orders, and you are sitting on long orders when market is moving up, when Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana are moving up, and that's when you realize you have made some profits out of market moving condition. Let's say the US stock market opens or Chinese stock market opens. You are sitting and you're placing according to the volatility some couple of long orders, and then once the market stabilizes, couple of short orders, and you are grabbing like 50 to $60 in that particular event, and you are just sleeping peacefully after making 50 to $60 a day. Very simple strategy, and this can be easily done with a little monitoring, with a little understanding and controlled risk, which is already configured inside Rift. So, and then we look at $1,013 spent with 3x multipliers, it increases your profit. Okay, with 3x multiplier, I think it is not $1,013 ticket size. This is a wrong card which team has created. This is $1,097 because if it was $1,013 spent with 3x multiplier, the distance to stop loss and take profit should have been more than $185. So this is a wrong demonstration here. I will get it changed. Make sure somebody reports to my team, they change it. And this document should be replaced. So 1097 spent with 4x multiplier. This can be correct, yes, because the stop loss is at 135 and the distance to take profit is at 226. This is definitely incorrect. Then we have $1,065 with 5x risk multiplier gives you a stop loss of $753 and then a take profit point of $1,177, more than the ticket, more than the capital that you have deployed to move the trade. And might be leverage would be bigger. So this is at 3x leverage and 5x risk mode, and this is also at 3x leverage and 5x 4x risk mode, and this is at 5x 3x leverage and 5x risk mode. Then we look at there's a 6x leverage risk mode as well, which team has not demonstrated here. So we will make sure the team will create another documentation by tonight or tomorrow in the morning, and you get the correct documentation that represents the risk modes in a proper way. So I will ask them to do that. Then is the managing your trades. How do you manage your trades? How do you open your portfolio? Then you see how many trades are making profit. If 10 of them are at profit and five of them are making loss or moving towards profit, then you can potentially close the profitable ones if you want to, and wait for the losing ones to gain, get back to the entry point and close them, or wait for them to get profitable and then close them. So any which way, both the things, any of these things can be done, and then you can close all the trades at once with one click. It is a very fast, efficient option to close all the trades, and it closes all the trades with combined P&L of winning and losing trades all at once, with a cumulative P&L, unrealized P&L, and that is realized upon closure of all trades. So this is how Rift works, very simply, in a very smart, in a very interactive and efficient way. Now we will go on to, first we will go on to the earnings and referral model, how it works, and then see. Okay, so platform, if you have a pen and paper, that will be good to take some notes. Platform charges 0.1% platform fee per trade. That is combined inside builder fee, um, that is combined inside, that includes everything, all the fees together: fee to hyperliquid, fee for creating the wallet again and again, whatever the fees are, withdrawal, deposit, every transaction or execution of the trade, running of the automated engine, whatever, all the fee is combined in this 0.1% platform fee. So it is all inclusive fee that we charge per trade when you execute your trades, very simply. But out of this fee, there is 0.03% builder fee of the trade amount. This builder fee is distributed inside the network per trade, and that comes with all the trades in the whole volume. And you all have seen, users have in the demo mode have done more than 117,000 trades, and the volume of these trades, if we look at every user wise data, it's more than 30 trades a day per user. And if an average user might have chosen $50 ticket size with 3x leverage, that makes um, 30 trades, that makes $4,500 worth of trading volume per user per day. And if we have, let's say, on a in a base case, 20,000 users, that is $90 million worth of trading volume every single day that we can easily aim at. And that is the base scenario where user is trading with $50 ticket size and executing only 30 trades a day. That's 90 million freaking dollars worth of volume. And that volume consumes a 0.03% of builder fee that we are ready to share with the community. So let's say the trade amount is whatsoever, but the builder fee that is incurred on per trade is 0.03%, and on $1,000 it's 30 cents, on $5,000 it's $1.50, on $10,000 it's $3. So as the volume increases on platform, the more builder fee is collected, and as more builder fee is collected, you get it distributed inside your network that you bring on. So from today onwards, what you can do You use the same email that you have used in 3FO, and you can refer all the users that are there already in your structure on 3FO on Rift with your email. So you can start referring users. If they have been testing demo version with their different emails, make sure that ask them to create another account on Rift with their 3FO associated email and start referring them from your account to 3FO to Rift so that they all appear in the structure that you have combined it. This is the distribution mechanism on which the whole system works. So the builder fees split into 33.3% distributed in the referral network and 66.7% that is retained by the platform for us as a builder of the platform. If the builder fee is $3 collected on every $1,000 that is $10,000 traded on the platform, which we are expecting around 90 to $100 million of trading volume with just 20,000 users trading with $50 each, 30 trades. That is how simple the stats are. So, and the referral pool is going to be $1, and the platform retains $2 out of every $3 that is collected in the builder fee. So this is the distribution model on which the referral pool and platform retention is combined. Then there is five level of distribution which we have designed already inside the Rift protocol. So level one makes 25% your direct referrals. They bounce you back with 25% of every dollar that is, if every dollar that is collected on your level one gives you per user $1 and the referral pool is $1, you get 25 cents. On level 2, it's 6.25%. On level 3, it's 1.56. On level 4, it's 0.39. Level 5 is 0.10. So all these USDC, all these dollar value in form of USDC hyperliquid is going to be collected automatically and will be transferred to your wallet directly on a daily basis. So this is how the referral model it actually works, because the fee deduction is real time. Once you close the trade, once Rift closes your trade, the fee is collected, and the moment the fee is collected, it is the smart contract that distributes the builder fee inside the referral structure, and it combines the referral model distribution as well as it retains with the platform 65% of fee that we collect, 66% that we collect, and 33% that is distributed in the referral pool as a earning of the whole community. And that's how level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 distribution is done on the level. So you can take a screenshot of this 5 level infrastructure that you can start building from today. Giving you all a tip, from today you can start structuring your 5 levels, and these 5 levels can be as much as populated as they can be. Whosoever is in your 3FO structure already, you can onboard them on your level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 already on Rift. And the Rift is going to pay you with their trading, howsoever they trade, how much they trade, whatever they bring to the platform, you generate outcomes of the platform. You share the revenue of the platform with you. So calculation is very, very simple. If platform generates $1 in the referral pool and there is just one user, you get this kind of distribution in $1 per level, very simply. This is single user daily earning representation. If the daily earning per user is 0.125, then monthly 30 days is 3.75. This is just for one user, if it is one. If there are 100 such users, then it is $375. If there are 1,000, then it becomes $3,750, very simply. It is just a multiplicative game that you can easily see. And if you still go on Rift right now and check the stats, it is coming 20 in the demo mode. I'm giving you the bear case scenario, 29 to 30 trades per person of $50 each. And if we assume in the base case scenario of 20,000 people trading live on Rift in the human mode and automated trading engine both, then you can assume it can potentially generate up to a trading volume of $90 million every single day. And whatever the volume is generated, the fee is collected, and the builder fee is bringing you more money with every execution that is closed. So, very simple model. And this PDF will also be shared with you so that you all can easily understand and formulate your strategy. So, from today onwards, you all can start structuring the whole community according to your structure that you have created in 3 or 4. Whatever the structure is, you can start placing the people and you can start recruiting people and bringing people on board with Rift with your referral code that is already there inside Rift with a referral link. Then there is multiple user scaling. Let's understand a scenario with 10 active users, each trading $5,000 a day, which is a very basic scenario. Builder fee that will be collected will be $15 and referral pool will receive $5 and level 1 earnings will be $1.25 every day. Monthly it will be $37.5. So it multiplies with the number of users, it multiplies with the trading volume. If they end up trading $50,000 volume um, every single day, then it multiplies by 10 times. That becomes $375. If they trade $500,000 and there are not just 10 active users but 100 active users, it becomes $3,750 each, very simply. Then we understand with network depth model how at level 1, 2, 3 different number of users can generate you different values of referral income that you can potentially generate. Let's say at level 1 and 2 and 3, there are 10, 30, and 90 users, each trading at $5,000 each every single day with leverage. I'm talking about this data with leverage. Even if you are trading at $11 with 10x leverage, that's $1,100 of trading volume, very simply. And if you execute 5 of these trades, you have traded $5,500 worth of volume in 5 trades. 5 times you have swiped the card and 5 times you have executed the trade, and that has made Rift a fee, and that has brought you a fee at level 1 15, level 2 45, and level 3 $135 builder fee. And the earnings which are generated at level 1 3.75, level 2 2.81, and level 3 2.10. That makes it $8.66 every single day when you have 10, 30, and 90 people in your level 1, 2, and 3. That means 140 people each, 130 people in your network, whole network in 3 levels. And I think uh, smallest and earliest leaders we have in our community have more than 400, 500 people each in their whole downline structures. So this is something that is easily achievable, and I think this is how your earnings are going to be looking like from day one on Rift through the referral model alone, with you trading a little, with them trading a little with the leverage. So that's $260 a month. And if it is 10 times of the whole scenario that we discussed, that's $2,600 a month, easily coming to you every single month with just the fee that platform collects, very simply. Then now let's look at high volume network case where you have a high volume network and you just have 50 users, average volume with 10,000, and total volume at half a million a day. This makes $150 of builder fee and referral pool of $50. That makes level 1 earnings of $12.5 a day. Monthly, that makes it $375 a month with just 50 users trading at high volume under you. Then, of course, as I said, leverage impacts the earnings. If the capital is $10,000, leverage is 1x, trade size is $1,000, and the fee that is collected is 30 cents. If the capital is 1,000, leverage is 5x, it is $5,000 trade size, it collects $1.50. Same trade with 10x leverage collects $3. That is the impact on which, and you all can see yourself and experience yourself how people are going to play with the leverage in Rift. Then leverage versus earnings curve. This as leverage is going to increase deeper and deeper, bigger in the users that are trading with, then the builder fee is also going to increase simultaneously, and it is going to grab you bigger community pool share as we share with you the platform builder fee. Then the automation advantage of trades is going to be like, let's say day one volume we have 100k volume, the earnings were $3.3. Day 10 it is 150k. As traders multiply, as trades multiply, as more traders they get into the system, they start using the demo mode, they learn, they interact, and then they start the real trading with their real funds. Earnings are going to increase from $3 to $5 to $10 gradually in 30 days. So this is how your earning scale is also going to scale once the network gets into trading deeply. Upward compounding curve we can see in the trading volume, and so will be the builder's fee going to accumulate. If you so this is also a passive money generation module, and with this you can generate a daily income of $5 to $10. With 100 users you can generate income of $25 to $50. With 500 users underneath you trading, you can generate $100 to $300 every single day. So let's understand the realistic versus aggressive case. In the conservative case, there are 20 users under you trading $3,000 a day with monthly $100 to $200 of trading volume, and then there is 100 plus users trading $10,000 a day, which makes it monthly $1,000 to $3,000 referral commissions that you are going to generate from the platform. This is the contrast in the conservative as well as aggressive scenario. As the traders are coming in and they trade, and it totally depends on trading volume, leverage usage, network size, and automation consistency that users maintain with. So that is it. um, Eunice, I believe it is clear. This document will also be passed to you guys by I'll send it to you right now so that you guys can have understanding. Can they can just join Rift only? They can use 3FO and join Rift. They can join Rift and then go to 3FO. Any of them they can do. They can only do Rift and not join 3FO also, not a problem. They trade, you make money, we make money. Both of us we make money. So we have integrated a referral model of 5 levels inside Rift also. That makes it very, very convenient for you to not to lose any kind of potential in any which way. The trading engine, it works on the tech level, what kind of expectations you can keep, what kind of risk profile, all the three layers of engines they operate with, which one is high risk, which one will get you bigger profits, bigger ticket sizes, which is more lethal in terms of execution, which one is moderate, which one is very steady, uniform, safe, or you can say uh, uh, operates at low risk mode. So we will have explanation of that tomorrow, and once we finish, then we move towards. So let's from tomorrow once we finish the automated trading engine. Um, Tomorrow is Saturday, so Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday we will cover everything once again, so that new people who are joining, who are coming, some new people who are joining every single day, new users who are unaware, they'll be getting all kind of information, everything. So from Monday we restart the whole understanding of Rift from the beginning, and we finish it by Wednesday till the launch. And we will be able to cover basics of the platform, why we built the platform, on what technology platform operates, then automated trading engine, then the referral model, everything from A to Z of Rift. We will start from Monday till Wednesday, we will cover that.